Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off sound and music in Royal Match. Sometimes you might want to mute in-game sounds or music in Royal Match. Maybe you are playing in public or just want a quieter experience. This tutorial will help you how to do so. First of all, launch Open Royal Match application on your device. You may open it up in any device such as iOS or Android. Once you're inside the home page of Royal Match, click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you will see the music and sound options. Toggle off the buttons right under music and sound and make sure they are turned off, and this will mute both your sound and music running on the background on Royal Match. You can now play quietly without disturbing others. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.